Okay, geometry students, here are our notes from today, August 24th. You should have these completed by August 26th. We're going to look at some vocabulary that came up in the assignment in Desmos. First of all, there's the word compass. What is a compass? A compass is a tool to make a circle, and this is a compass. So if you don't have a compass, that's okay. You can draw a circle by hand. So in your notes, we're going to be making a picture of a circle. You can just draw it by hand. So I can draw a circle by hand. Well, it's not too bad. It's a pretty good circle. But if I use a compass, I can make a better circle. So here it is with a compass. If you don't have a compass, that's fine, because we are going to be drawing all our circles on the computer. Okay, but this is a compass. Okay, compass. The next word is straight edge. This is a straight edge. This is a straight edge. It is a tool to make a segment. So if I want to make a segment, I can just draw against my straight edge. And now I have a segment. So a compass makes circles. A compass makes circles. A straight edge makes segments. I could also use this for a straight edge. Or I could use this. Straight edge. These are tools of geometry. Compass is a tool. Straight edge is a tool. They help us draw shapes. All right, next important word from today's activity was circle. This is a circle, and the important parts of a circle are the center. We put a point at the center of the circle. This is the center, and we label it with a letter. Here, I use the letter O. In Desmos today, we used the letters A and B. Now, this circle was made, I made it with my compass. I made the circle with my compass, and the distance from the center to the edge is called the radius. So this distance where I drew this segment is called the radius. The radius is the same no matter where I draw it to. So from the center to the edge, it's still the same length. The radius is still the same. I can put it down here. The radius is always the same, no matter where I put it. The radius is the same length. Okay, so this is the radius, this is the radius. I could put it here, I could put it here, anywhere. That's the radius. Okay, so important words here related to circle are radius, and center. Okay, next words from our activity today is segment, which can also be called a line segment. So a segment is a straight line that has two endpoints. So it starts at A and it ends at B. A and B are endpoints. So A is a point, B is a point, and they're at the ends. They are the endpoints. So this is a segment. And some important words here for a segment is that it has endpoints. A segment has two endpoints. This is the symbol for this segment. Push this up. So this is the name of this segment from A to B. We write AB with a little segment on top. Segment AB. Point C is a point on AB. It's on AB, but it is not an endpoint. Okay, so this is a segment. Other words that came up in today's activity in Desmos, here's some other words that came up. Polygon. Polygon. A polygon is a shape with straight sides. So a triangle is a polygon, a square is a polygon, a hexagon is a polygon. A polygon is any shape made from straight sides. All the sides are straight. These are not polygons, not a polygon. A circle is not a polygon. The sides are curves. An oval is not a polygon. And this shape is not a polygon because it has a curve. It is not a polygon. This word came up also, hexagon. The last two slides in Desmos asked for you to make a hexagon. A hexagon is a polygon, but it has 6 sides. So this is a polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a polygon. Next word, intersection. Intersection. The intersection is where two things cross each other. So here I have two segments crossing at an intersection. So it's the point where the lines cross each other. I can also have circles cross each other. So there's an intersection and another intersection. Okay, and the last word for our notes today, our last word is midpoint. Midpoint. If I have the segment AB, and notice I made it 10 units long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 spaces here. From A to B is 10 spaces. The midpoint is halfway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's halfway. That's called the midpoint. So C is halfway between A and B. It is the midpoint. And that's it. That's our notes for today. Those are some important words in geometry that came up in the Desmos activity. And that's it. I'll see you in class on Wednesday.